Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your account on the Happy Color game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Happy Color game on your device, and once you open it up, you will be taken into the home page without logging into your account, from which you can directly start enjoying the coloring on various different pictures. Now you can log into your account if you wish by tapping on the gear icon at the top right corner and then tapping on login to sync data. You can then choose either your Facebook or your Google account to log into your game. Now if you wish to delete your account, there is no option within the gameplay or the general menu. So you will need to tap on contact us and then choose your email app. Once you choose your application, you will directly be able to send a support email to the Happy Color team. Now within the main body, you can simply type in that you wish to delete your account and you would like the instructions to follow in order to do so. Then tap on the send button, and once your email has been sent, you will get a response within a few days which contains the instructions that you can follow in order to delete your account. And there you have it. That is how you can go about in order to delete your account on the Happy Color game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.